Hello everyone, welcome to India's first animated live tuition and also welcome to another episode of Sharp Shot. And in this video, we are going to do an important question from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equation. I'm going to discuss the most important topic from the chapter, so please never miss this. Okay, so let's get into the question. Here we go. Let me read out question for you. Design an activity to demonstrate the decomposition reaction of a lead nitrate. Let's do main observation and then write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction stating the physical state of the reactant and the product. Here we go. First of all, you should know what is a decomposition reaction. I hope you remember that. Decomposition reaction is nothing but when a simple substance breaks down into two or more substances. That is called as a decomposition reaction. Now we are going to carry out the thermal decomposition reaction of lead nitrate. So as you know, when we decompose or when we heat a lead nitrate, we will get a lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, oxygen gas as well. Keep this in mind and let's do the activity time. We have 3 steps to do that. The first one, take a boiling tube and put about 3 grams of lead nitrate powder in it. That will be your first step. The second step, hold the boiling tube carefully with a pair of tongs because I don't want to burn your hands. So use the tongs always. Now let's heat the tube over a flame. Shall we do it together? We want the experimental proof for everything. We don't want the writings. We want the experimental proof. So let's get into the experiment. Time for an experiment. Yes, sir. Here we go. We have the table. What is there on the table? We have lead nitrate. That's our hero, right? So we have the lead nitrate. Let's take the test tube and add lead nitrate in it. The next step, bring it towards the burner and heat it. As we know, thermal decomposition, we will get a lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and the oxygen gas. And here we go, the brown fumes are nothing but a nitrogen dioxide. And surprisingly, our nitrogen dioxide is brown in color. Note that. And we'll be having a yellow substance that is nothing but a lead oxide. You cannot see that because there's full of fumes. And yes, sir. Now we have to test for the oxygen present in that. How can we know oxygen is there? Bring the incense stick, bring it to the test tube. Tada! Bright flame determines the presence of oxygen gas. That's about our experiment. And this is the thermal decomposition of a lead nitrate. Now, the last thing, we have to note the observation. Thank you, sir. We have to note the observation, at least 2 of them. Here we go. The first observation, brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide gas is observed. Yes, we observed it. Second one, lead oxide, a yellow compound is formed. And if you want, you can add the point of the oxygen. When we bring the incense stick, it will give a bright flame. You can add that too, but they have only asked for the 2. So either you can go ahead with this 2 or just adding 1 point. No one cares. Okay, now finally we have to write the balanced chemical equation where the lead nitrate is decomposing into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and the oxygen gas. Always remember to write the balanced chemical equation along with the states, the physical states of the reactants as well as the product. So this one will be the balanced chemical equation where the lead nitrate is undergoing a thermal decomposition. So this is all about the answer and the question, and if you feel any doubt, you are free to ask. Okay, and thank you so much for watching and wait for me in the next question. Bye bye kiddos. Bye bye.